Hey guys, good morning. So it is currently 7:30 and nag-aaral ako ngayon ng aking law subject. I actually have a book sa aking law subject, pero I prefer studying sa ganito kasi mas summarized yung sa ganito. And kapag sa book, sobrang daming information and hindi ko naman na-absorb lahat. So, why not study ko lang sa ganito? And I actually don't have a class today sa law since attorney canceled it last night. Pero mag-aaral pa rin ako. Preparation na rin kasi for finals. Ang sipag ko. Wala lang, para mabawasan yung aaralan ko sa finals week para puro accounting subjects na lang yung ialat ko sa week na yun. And hey guys! So, I just got home from school. Actually, wala dapat akong klase ngayon since every Thursday, I don't have classes talaga. But then, I had to go to school earlier kasi we had to practice our final presentation sa PE na gagawin namin on Thursday. So, ayun. I'm currently fixing my notes sa law subject ko kasi hindi ako nakapag-notes ng maayos kahapon. Like, binasa ko lang siya. Ayun. And after reading or after organizing my notes, ang gagawin ko is, I need to finalize my report on CFAS. Ipa-finalize ko yung report ko kasi sa Thursday na yon. And ayun. And tomorrow pala, walang pasok since it's a holiday. And bukas is, mag-aaral lang ako ng Stratcom. Hate that subject, guys. Super hate ko yung subject na yun. Kasi parang cost accounting lang siya. Pero yun, tatapusin ko na to para hindi ako abutin ng super gabi. Wow! Trusted! Hi, team! Magkaya ka sa vlog ko, team!
Counterpart, sino nila ang customer kapag